What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I am redoing the purple look that I posted on my IG today and yesterday. We are going to play with the James Charles palette. Here is the palette. It is amazing. I already have my brows done, and the concealer that I have as my primer is the ColourPop. The ColourPop No Filter Concealer in shade 08. So we are starting off with the Jeffree Star brush, and I am picking up this color right here. And we are going to pack this in a circular round shape on our eye, and then we will blend it out after. And how I'm packing the shadow on is I'm really loading my brush, and then I'm just packing it on and working section by section, and then going back in and packing my brush again, and just repeat the same thing all the way around until you create that shape that you want. And to blend that out, I am picking up my Morphe M506. Okay, so we are gonna go in with this shade and this one. So we're just mixing little by little, section by section. We're going to start to diffuse that crease line. And then I am picking up a flat brush like this, and I am picking up the big white shade right here, and then I am going to press this color right on the arch of my eyebrow because I really want a matte highlight up there. And I'm doing this step before we go in with our last shade. We are going in with JS5 and picking up this, and we are gonna buff out our last crease into that white that we already laid down. And then we are going on the inner corner of our eyebrow, and we're going to buff this out as well. I'm going back in with that raspberry color, and I'm just going to intensify everything I had already laid down on my crease. Okay, so now that both of our eyes are done with the first part of the blending, we are going to go in with this color. This one, the deeper purple, and that is going to start building our halo eye. And this one you're just going to add it like a V and start building that kind of open quotation or open parentheses shape. Now I am going to cut my crease with another ColourPop concealer. And make sure your edges, this part, is nice and soft so that when you go in to blend the rest of your colors, it's not as harsh. So that is our cut crease. Now I am going in with my finger first, and I'm going into this purple shimmer shadow. Where is it? Right here. Okay, that is the color with my finger. Now I'm going in with this brush right here. It's a paddle brush, and I'm going to pick up that same eyeshadow, spray it, and press it in. So here I'm going in with that purple, and I'm just really going over that outline that we did before we did that cut crease, and just feathering that color in. Now I'm picking up this brush from Morphe. This is the M508. I am going to mix in this color and the deep purple just to kind of sharpen that cut crease line. Now I'm going to kind of create a liner out of this turquoise color and some setting spray. I'm gonna take this pencil brush because it already kind of has that color that I was going to add, and I'm gonna mix that raspberry color. Well, I'm just gonna take that raspberry color and I'm gonna feather that dark purple color into the eye. So I want to create a little bit more depth. So now I'm just picking up black and I'm placing it right on my inner and outer corner, right in back of that deep purple to create more depth to the look. Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go back in with that raspberry color and I'm just going to slightly like feather that raspberry in and just blend those shadows in. Okay, lastly, I'm going to take the same brush that we kind of detail with. I'm going to pick up that deep purple and black and I'm going to place this right on my lash line. And I'm just going to blend this in. And this is the eyeshadow look. So now what we're gonna do is I'm going to go into the rest of my face. So these are the lashes. Just make sure that they're not wonky. We are going to set our face and I'm actually going to use a little bit of the RCMA powder and then I'm going to go under that with the Pretty Vulgar powder. And I'm not gonna wait too long. I'm already going to dust it off and buff it in. So using the Jeffree Star, which one is this one? JS2. Now I just took all the powder off. I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe spray. For face, we are just going to go in with Global Glow by MAC. Okay, and then for our highlight, we are going to go in with our Fenty Beauty highlights in Hustler Baby and Mean Money. So I'm going to go in with one of the boys. This is the color that I used yesterday. I'm going to add a little bit of a nude color just so it's more wearable. So essentially you're kind of creating a more mauve-y nude when you do what I just did. I'm going to take No Shade and I'm just gonna put this in the center of my lips. I'm going to take it, Keep It Spicy, the same liner that I used yesterday, and this is from LA Girl. This is a retractable one. And I'm just going to line the outer parts of my mouth. I'm missing a little bit of blush. I am using the Morphe 8 Warm palette. I think for today I'm gonna go in with this one, Unapologetic, and I'm going to mix it with Witty. Yes. You know what? I turned into a blush person. I really love blush now. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, watching my videos, and being part of my familia here on YouTube. If you guys are not subscribed, please join my family here on YouTube. I really hope you guys try this look out. If you recreate it, please tag me on your Instagram and I'm going to repost it on my page, because it would mean a lot to me that you guys just even like recreate my looks. So tag me if you recreate this look or any of my other looks, okay? So that is pretty much it for today, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.